Greetings to all. Welcome to GEPL Capital Market. Last two times we discussed various indices, how Nifty, Bank Nifty and various indices are placed on, how their valuations are looking at, and we also discussed various opportunities. This time, as the year comes to end, we are coming with different topics. We will be discussing the primary market situation and the IPOs which we have witnessed in this year. So there are a lot of interesting facts on this year's front. So let's discuss one by one. Let me share my screen. So we will be discussing the IPOs of 2023. So this is the chart which is presenting IPOs from calendar year 2021, 2022 and 2023. So the total fund raised in this year is close to 44,623 crores. Prior to that year, that is 2022, we had fundraising of close to 54,000 crores, and in CY21 we had fundraising of 1,11,000 crores. Of course, we had some big ticket IPOs at that point of time. So this year, the total issue size has been lower compared to the previous year. But if you look at the total funds applied for this IPO is close to 17 lakh crores, which is close to 3 times of previous year. So definitely the IPO market, the sentiments definitely has rebounded from last year, and that can be seen from the total subscription. So total subscription is basically total funds applied divided by the issue size. So in 2021, that was the 32 times. In 2022, it cooled down to 10x, and now it is again hitting up towards 38 times. So definitely 2023 has remained a very hot market for the IPOs as far as mainboards are concerned. These are some highlights which are showing the details of 2023 as well as prior 2 years. So in 2023, that is this year, we had 57 mainboard IPOs. Last year, we had 40 mainboard IPOs, and prior to that, that is in 2021, we had 62 IPOs. The median issue size of this year's IPO was 550 crores, which has been lower from previous year, which was 660 crores, and in 2021 that was close to 1,000 crores. So there has been a steady decline in issue size. If you look at the issue subscription median, so as far as this year is concerned, on median basis, we had 37 times subscription, and that was a sharp jump from the previous year of 4 times, and again significantly above from 2021, which had issue subscription median of 28 times. So subscription levels has increased, the issue size has decreased. If we look at the median listing gains, so 57 IPOs got listed this year, and if you look at the median listing gains of those IPO, that is the numbers are very interesting. So the median listing gains is 18%, which is significantly up from previous year 4%, previous year's 4%, and 2021, which was again a very hot market for IPOs, that saw median listing gain of 14%. So again 2023 has again stood up very well prior to the compared to the prior 2 years. And importantly, if you look at the positive listing rate, it means if we had hundreds IPO this year, and out of those 90 IPOs list positively in this year, then positive listing rate is 90%. So basically that's how we calculate the positive listing rate. So in 2021, 2 years ago, it was 71%. It means if 100 IPOs are there, 71 IPOs used to get positively listed. 2022, that improved to 75%, and this year we have very healthy positive listing rate of 86%. So basically out of hundreds IPO, investors used to get positive listings in almost 86 IPOs. So this is very encouraging numbers. So if we sum up these figures, so listing gains has improved, the positive listing rate has also improved, the overall subscription of the IPOs has also improved. So all these numbers are very good. Only the issue size, the median issue size has decreased in this year. Then this is a calendar of primary issues. So on the column side, we have 23 years, and on the row side we have the months. So if you look at the last 3 years, we had close to 160 IPOs, of which 62 were in 2021, 40 in 2022, and 57 in 2023. And if you look at the second half of each year in past 3 years, that has remained quite busy. We have seen most of the IPOs coming after the June month, and specifically the festive month, which is October, November, December, has saw very robust IPOs opening. So the second half of each year has remained busy in terms of the IPO opening. Then next is the here are some interesting facts. So here are the top oversubscribed IPOs of 2023. So Plaza Wires IPO subscribed by 161 times, Moti Sons Jewelers subscribed by 160 times, Idea Forge 106 times, Utkar Small Finance Bank 103, Aeroflex 99, and so on. So the top two IPOs such as Plaza Wires and Moti Sons Jewelers got oversubscription of 160, 161 and 160. So both remain very hot in the market. Then here are some other interesting facts. So here is the list of top 10 positive listing gains IPO. So this is the list of the IPOs which got positive listing gains. So of course, the very first number is recently listed Tata Technologies, which clocked a listing gain of 140%. Then we have Idea Forge, which clocked a listing gains of 94%. And recently listed Moti Sons Jewelers that also clocked a gain of 90%. So overall, the gains have remained above 60% as far as the top 10 listing gain IPOs are concerned. So Tata Technologies IPO is really impressive. If you look at the valuations at the time of IPO issue, that was also very decent compared to the peers. And this was again the first IPO from the Tata Group after many years, and the investors subscriptions levels were also very healthy, and that resulted into the 140% gain in Tata Technologies IPO. Here are the top 10 IPOs which posted losses on the listing day itself from the issue price. So the listing Yatra of Yatra Limited has not been that good. It posted a loss of 8% on the listing day. Then IRM Energy lost 5%. Suraj Real Estate lost 4%. Muthoot Microfin lost 4%. So if you look at these two IPOs, Suraj and Muthoot Microfin Corp, those IPOs got listed when there was a trouble in the market. So that also impacted their listing gain. So if we compare the positive listing gain and negative listing gain, the graph remains exponentially skewed towards the positive listing gains. Stocks are witnessing gains of 60 to 140%. However, the losses on the listing day has not been that much big compared to the gains. Then lastly, here is a slide which also shows some consistent stocks. So what do you mean by consistent? So basically the stocks which are sitting on big gains from their issue price. So if you look at this top 10 stocks, so number one stock is Ireda, of course. So the stock price was issued at 32 rupees, and later on it also clocked a high of 120. So that reported a very healthy gains. So IREDA is sitting on big gains from their issue price of 218%. Cyan DLM clocked 157% gain. NetWeb clocked 138%. Tata Technologies is sitting on 130% gains, and so on. So if you look at the top 10 IPOs with highest gain from issue price, so almost all IPOs are trading above 100%. So overall, to sum up, this 2023, the year saw very good response to the primary issues. The subscription levels has increased. The positive listing rates has increased. The issue size, however, remained less, but more or less we are seeing a very healthy performance, the healthy sentiments as far as the IPO markets is concerned. So again, as we are entering to 2024, recently, First Cry has also filed DRHP. Then Ola Electric has also filed DRHP. So these are some catchy names which might be coming with their IPOs in the next year, and of course will be in the eyes of investors. So as we are entering into the start of the next calendar year, typically January to February has remained silent in terms of the issues are concerned, which we just saw in the recent slide. So second half remains busy. So I hope these facts are clear to all of you. Thank you all. Have a happy weekend, and of course, wishing you all a very happy new year from GEPL Capital. Thank you.